Drink
You gonna join us? You gonna join the...
How you doing?
I gotta watch the Battle of the Commissioners.
I don't want to disappoint you, man. Oh.
Here we go, our first game of week 7.
Who they missing? Vince.
Mexico City versus Team Beijing. Woo! Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is City Hoops, Season 7, 50 Plus League.
Hey, where's Vince?
Oh, traffic. It's traffic. Yeah, San Jose. Yeah, traffic.
Yeah, I'll be there. Yeah, it'll be here.
Starting lineup for Team Beijing. I have number 23, the guard, Ray. Number 19, the point guard, Jet Go. The power forward, but playing guard, number 33, Lando. And their captain, the most interesting man in the Bay Area, number 8, John Pascual. For Team Mexico City, we have number 18, Romeo. Nope, Israel. Number 33. No, number 30, we have Raul, the point guard. The forward, number 23. Number 2, John. In and out. Rebound by John. Toko. And the big man, number 0, Chris. White ball. Jonathan for 2. Rebound by Chris. Put back. I can smell the upset here. Smell like, oh, almost there by Jones. Bounce pass to him. Whoa! Blocked by Campoy. Israel for 2. Rebound by John Pascual. John going coast to coast. Spread. Pass it to Jed. Jed for 2. Basket's good. Jonathan for 3. Rebound by classmate. Here comes John. John P. Ray for 2. Nope. Rebound by white ball. Diyan, napagod na si John. Lalo. He's wrong for 2. Rebound by Jed.
Oh, nice. Nice.
18, yes sir, that's first on Israel. 8. Showing 2. Oh, Jasmine, replay nga, replay from the last time. Woo! Kasi yan naman sinabi ko eh. Okay. White ball. Baseline. That's round 42 for classmate. Here comes Raul. Buck passes to Israel. Israel looking for Chris for three. Rebound by Campoy. Yes. 19. What? 19. Rebound Lando. Ray for two. Anong amoy yun? Anong amoy? Jonathan for three. Rebound by rebound by Raul. Sino yun?
Assist si Doc kay Jong.
Jong, 2 points. Rebound by Jong. Here comes Israel for two. Rebound by Jonathan. Last two. Sino yun? Lando 2 points.
Assist trainer.
Assist by Rainer. Here comes Johnson. Johnson for three. Rebound by Ray.
What happened? Oh.
Classic. Jet for three. Rebound by Ray.
Double
Double dribble by number 23.
Hindi, sino? Hindi, sino? Si ano yan?
Rebound by Jet. 2 points by Rainer. Assist by Jet. Rainer rebound. 2 points by Blando.
Nice pass.
2 points by John from Israel. 11-9 in favor of Pink. Oh, was that strip by Jimmy Shooting? 2 points by Israel.
Assist Jong. I mean, assist Doc. Doc?
stripped by... Got stripped by... Ano? Chris? What's that? 3 points by Ray.
Assist by Lando. Fuck that shit.
Chris for 3. That is good.
Assist by
Hmm.
si Kaminga.
Sino?
Kaminga.
Kaminga. Two points by Ray.
Assist by classmate.
Last one.
Easy.
Power move by John. 16.
Ha?
16. 16 na. 16 na.
16 na? Oh, nakalagay ko sa... Nalagay ko pala sa kabila, sir. 16 na pa. Yeah. 16 up. Sorry, nalagay ko sa kabila.
3 points. Yes, sir. Ray.
Double check, sir. Double check namin.
Yeah, I just told you. 16 up.
Ngayon. 19 up. 1960 ba?
Yeah. Rebound by Orlando. Wow. Dofo. First on Dofo.
Let's go. Let's go, sub. Sub. Oh, shit. No, sub.
1916 in favor of Pink. Clock. Jed. Bounce pass to Orlando for 2. Rebound by classmate. Rebound by Al. What a pass by Israel to Kaminga.
Ay, fun.
Ray for 3. Another 3 by Ray.
Assist by Jed.
Back-to-back assist by Jed.
Man to man. Isang floater, oh.
Rogo for 3.
Assist by...
Yep, I got it. Chris.
$22, 1 point lang.
22-21. Ray for 3 again. Sino pasok mo?
Si Jed. Ikaw ba? Oh, si classmate. You play.
Back-to-back assist by John Pascual. Chris for 3. Rebound by Al.
Foul,
Sino? 23. Ray. First on Ray.
Pasok, pare.
Wala.
Battle of the Commissioner.
Sabi ko sa kanya, one-on-one na lang eh. Takot eh.
1 for 2 for Al. Steal by Chris. Kaminga for 3. Nope. Rebound by Romeo. Rebound by Ray. Two points by Ray from Lando.
Ikaw sabing? Nasab on that ball.
27-22. Plus, right over for 3. Rebound by Lando. 2 points. As position.
Ayan.
Romeo. Ginagawa talaga ni ano ah.
Play ball. Play! No sub! Sabi mo, no sub.
No sub, no sub.
Play.
Play.
I said play ball. Play boy. Play ball. Play. I thought you were saying play boy.
2 points, Lando.
Look, referee, right? Time out.
Tama, white.
Dahan-dahanin nyo lang. Apat lang tayo. Akala nyo, hanggang mamaya yan.
Apat na kayo? Oh, shit!
Oh my. Here we go, let's go. Score 31-22 in favor of Pink. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining of the first half. Here we go. Chris. Wow. Israel, 2 points. Nope. Rebound by Romeo. Rebound by Kuminga. White ball. Go get mo. Alphonse de la Cruz is in the house. Woo-hoo! Cruz for 3. Rebound by Ray. Galing! Tarara! Huh? No assist. Two points.
24 pare? 24.
Yep. Assist yun?
Yeah. Fadeaway shot eh, pagpasa. Still.
Yung para. Rebound.
Is that game ball?
In and out! Rebound by Kathleen. Rebound by Al. Chup, sino nagpasa niyo?
Si,
Al?
si Israel.
Israel? Israel. Ray, for 3! Jet go, for 3! Rebound by Al. Steal by Al. Two points
Ay,
by Israel. Steal by Al. Rebound by Coffee. Here comes Ray. Ray to Lando. To Jed. Jed for 2. Rebound.
Sir, Sub, sub? No? No sub? Sub, ikaw. Pwede mo sub yung nag-start. Yeah.
33-26 in favor of Pink. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining on the first half. Here comes Al. Al de la Cruz. Passes to Doc Romeo. To Chris. Chris to Romeo. Poco to Romeo. Rebound by Joe. Estas 2.
No?
We have a ball game, ladies and gentlemen. 33-30. Chad.
Oh, they're playing defense now. There you go.
Ray for 3.
Anticipated there.
Chris for 3. Rebound by Lando. Thirty, Joe for 2.
Ayan, kaya.
Stay tuned, guys. Our next game between Commissioner versus Commissioner. Tonight, we're gonna separate the boys from the men.
Jay, dito ka, Jay. Hihilang ako.
Oh, nagpagupit ka na yata.
Yeah. Para mag-aang na konti. Woo! Let's go! There we go. Welcome back, guys. This is City Hoops, Season 7, 50 plus league. Score 38-32 in favor of Pink. A minute and 49 seconds remaining of the first half. Here we go. Ray is on fire.
Isa pa 3 points.
Lando for 2. No.
Oy.
Ray to Jed. Jed getting pressure from Chris. Jed. Rebound by John. John going coast to coast. Right hand layup. 2 balls. $38-34 in favor of Pink. Up by 4 points. Last week. Jed. Jed to Lando. Lando. Rebound by Chris. John. Out. 2 points. Classmate, rebound. Three points. Sino nag-assist yun? Ha? Jed.
17 seconds, Jan.
Chris for 3. Rebound by Ray.
Sabi mo, 8 seconds.
11 wide. Yes, sir. First on Romeo.
7 seconds.
7 seconds to shoot. Jed.
5, 4. Oh, almost.
Rebound by Al.
Inside.
kailangan na bumawi.
Ay, ginagaya mo yung ano ah. Ha? Talaga sabi mo, 160. Di mo na kailangan niya, men. Ha? No need.
Patay mo, patay mo.
Oh, sakit!
Let's go, let's go! Our second half.
Our second half of our first game between Mexico City and Team Beijing. What's up?
Oh, ready na idol? Next season?
Alpo, kumusta Pilipinas? Sobrang init?
Nakailan ka ba? Nakailan nga?
Here we go. Good luck, guys. Score 41-36 in favor of Pink. What team can win this game if they make adjustment? Here we go. Good luck. Israel, pass it to Al. Al. John for two. Rebound by classmate. Here comes.
Pili ka na naman 4 against 5? Sa City?
Okay. 2 points again.
Meron ba kasi sana? Meron ba?
Meron niya. Wala pa.
May history oh.
Man, are we going to see a history here? 4 against 5. 2 points, John from Israel. That's Joe Lando. First on Lando.
Every time out?
Right ball. Here comes Israel. Complete for three. Rebound by Ray. Ray, Fernando. Number 3, yes sir. First on now. Shooting 2.
the shooter. Go, 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 go.
One for two for Ray.
Pogi-pogi naman maglalaro. Nakapanto ka rin. Okay ba? Okay ba?
44-38 in favor of Pink. Here comes Team Mexico City. Israel. Basket's good, no? Rebound by Ray.
Yun.
Oh. Classmate. Wide open to Lando.
Ano, 46? 46. Oh.
Rebound by Jed. Rebound Rainer, 2 points.
Hey, 5 minutes rule. 5 minutes.
5 minutes rule. Get ready.
Sub. Let's sub. Let's sub. You gotta tell the ref. Yeah. Sub.
Second unit, guys. Second unit.
One more.
48-38. Rebound by Campoy.
There
Chris
you
for
go.
3. Rebound by Ray. Tama Red. That's the first.
Para makapagpahinga din tayo.
Ilan na asus ko?
Tanda mo nga.
Oh, bigyan mo niya ako na assist.
There we go, guys. Welcome back. Our first game, Season 8. Season 7's 50 plus league. Lando to Ray. Woo, the right team is putting pressure now. Number 3.
Technical foul, white 3.
Paul.
Pakilang ka na. Ilan na po?
3.
Third personal foul now. Shooting 2. Last possession.
One more, Ray. Same shit. Why? Ano sinabi? Pare, lagay mo sa ano?
Technical foul.
Al and Lan. And did he go in?
Yep.
2 for 2.
2 for 2. $51.
Sam Murphy.
Here we go. Jed. Chulando. 2 points.
This by Jed.
Yep.
Who do you want to play on? Which team you want to play?
I guess we get to decide.
Rebound by Ray.
Oh, man, shut the shit out.
Huh?
That last play.
Oh.
And then on Sunday, I did it again. It was bad.
Oh, you play Sunday too?
I couldn't even move my arm. I should have played. But I feel like 145 on the second game.
On the Sunday? Wow. What league?
G
Oh, the G League. Oh, okay.
They're hella dirty though, man. Fuck.
Rebound by Campoy.
Over the back, holding it down to this man. No fault.
No way.
Come on.
Over there?
Yeah.
Rebound by Israel.
That's like you're
2
trying to get something
points.
already, right?
It's so easy. You ain't at that age where you can play that dirt.
Yep.
Ayan na yung mga halimaw sa basketball. Billy Flores is in the house. Bernard Diaz is in the house. As well as Sam. 2 ball. Great line. Classmate. Woo!
There you go.
3 points by Campoy. $55-43. Plenty of time. 10 minutes and 18 seconds.
Open sub.
Relax, relax.
There you go.
Wow. Rebound by Campoy. Open sub, everyone. Open sub. You can serve, Chris. Wide open for 3. Rebound by Lando. Here comes Lando.
Oh, shit.
2 points by Ray. He's on fire.
On the dead ball. Or timeout.
Rebound by Ray. 2 points by John Pascual. May man yun?
Huh? You have to tell the referee.
May assist?
Wala.
No.
Loko mo naman ako eh.
Checking Chris for 3.
Yeah, timeout kayo or on the dead ball? Or timeout kayo? Or foul, yeah.
Man, it's on 13 points. 8 minutes and a half. Plenty of time. Traveling violation. Let's go. White ball. White ball. Open sub, open sub. You can sub everyone. Let's go, coach. Drops wala. Si Dennis. Dennis, meron ka?
Wala eh. Nasa bahay.
Two points by Israel. $59-48. Here it comes. Wow! Is that in? Come, okay.
Pasok.
Yep.
Kung gusto ng laro ni Eric. Eric. Last by sila. Last by. Pero siya bay. Siya bay.
Hindi nga, kaya ako nangingiyak sa
Wala.
pinasok ako.
Okay, Jim.
Tubig.
Tapos si Miss ko nasa may pero siya nga ito.
West for three! Back-to-back three by Chris. Assist by Jonathan.
That's his third assist.
61-51. The Pink in favor of Pink. Right ball. Here we go. Can they cut it down to one digit? I think they can. They can even win this. Oh, still by Jed. He read that all the way. Oh, still by Ro. Three points by Campoy.
Assist by Doc. 7-point lead.
61-54.
Oh, on the still.
Rebound by Classmate.
Foul.
Chris on Chris. 14 fouls. Ang technical siya na pala, no? Number 2.
Siya ang point.
Nag-beating mo.
Awan coach din the big shot.
Sino ba?
Here we go.
Awan na. 0 points ha? Kaya ba?
Rebound by...
Manonood ka? Pwede ba tumunod sa mga? Si Janta.
Jack, getting pressure from... Oh, almost steal by Israel. Here comes Classmate. Yes, sir. That's 18. Second on Israel. 16 fouls. Right for 2. Pass is good.
Si Noel. Undefeated. Ay! Hindi. Ako dapat yun, tapos nag-step out na ako.
Bola, video. Compare for 3. Here we go.
57-63 pare?
Lando, pabanda mo na, pare!
3 minutes and a half remaining. 63-57 in favor of pink.
Mike, Mike. Thank you, Mike.
Jet for 2. 2 points, long 2. Kapal for 3.
Tama nga.
60. Only 5 points. Lando, wide open to win. My goodness. Wide open. Assist by Lando. That's his third assist of the night. "33, yes sir. That's second on Lando. Second team fouls. Shaka is on. Shaka is on. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Down by 5 points. Down. A minute and 43 seconds remaining. I don't know what I've been told, but 12 to shoot. 2 points by Ray. 69-62. A minute and 25 seconds. 2 points by Joe. Assist by Rahul.
5-point lead
A
lang.
minute and 14 seconds. 20 to shoot. Lando. 2 points. Tama ho?
Wait.
Right, tama, right. That's your first. 1 more X.
At yung mga kakampi ko, parang may volcano.
Stay tuned, guys. What's the next game? Dan's gonna dominate the game.
Hindi yan. Dito tagal ko lang nagdala.
Score 71-64 in favor of pink.
Hindi, ano yan?
A minute and 3 seconds remaining. White ball. Here we go.
Hindi, iba yun. Mali yan, nagkamali yan. Yung banner yan eh.
2 points as well.
Hindi pa.
What? 0-1, 0-1. 1-1.
Live
71-66 in favor of pink. 1-1.
Rebound.
Ako? Hindi, man.
Bola. Oh! Rebound! Wow.
Nilagay ko lang na kasi sa
18, yes sir. 1-1. Third on the trial. 1-1. 1-1. Wow. 48.2 seconds remaining. 71-66 in favor of pink.
Shooter!
1 point. 72-66. Here we go. 48.2 seconds.
Push. Go.
Cross for 3. Rebound by classmate. Number. Alright, 101. Third on Chris. Ha? Oh, ano. Pizza daw, sabi ni Dennis.
I'm just messing with him.
Ah, 101.
Q!
101. Alright, for the win.
For the win again, for the win.
For the win. Oh! 23.
Not yet. It's not 1-on-1 yet.
Second.
Second team foul.
Three-point round. 18. Yes, sir. 18 what? Oh,
74-29.
yes. Fourth on Israel. Double. Bonus.
Hold the ball.
Down by 5 points. Okay, ready. Second two. Woo! Go ahead. Three points! Joel. What's that? Foul? Who's foul? Oh, no foul?
Not yet. How many team fouls? What number? 18 fouls.
18. Graduate. Shooting two.
Huh?
1 point.
72 lang?
Yeah.
3 yun eh.
Yeah, 3 na. Eh, score kanina, ano?
No, hindi.
69. 2 for 2. Shot clock is out. Rebound Lando.
Knockout.
No count. Here we go. Congratulations, Beijing. Wow.
Set mo ah.